Hello guys, Hinday Vlogs na.
Ali. Ali.
Magbasa na sa data. Hello guys, ama. Machines are devices that make your everyday tasks easier. They help you do your work with easy and comfort in since work means the ability to use first to move an object a certain distance provide that the and the object motion are in the same direction. Look around your house. Can you identify the machines that you use every day? Even the small tools like nib scissor and bottle openers and also machine. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Mwah.